That is one of the interesting things. So I wasn't able to remove this because we have some screws very well hidden. One second. After that, this thing on the side. Remove all the other things from the tray. And our tray lifts. We sorted the light issue. Still have this. We are in business. Make sure that another clips are removed. So looking at it, 2 clips on the side, those 2 screws in the middle, and the rest were the plastic little screws or plastic little clips. Center plastic holder, this one over there, and we should be okay to remove the light.